So I was in Earth Surface Processes with Andy Moore. It's one of the upper level geo classes, focusing on kind of the soft rock sedimentology side, which I'm really interested in because I'm going to be doing vertebrate paleontology someday. And it was really important for me just to be familiar with kind of forms that form on Earth's surface and how we look at and map those. In the course, we took this whole kind of a long game approach, going through like the most basic tools to the most advanced tools we use for surveying and mapping now. And I'd had a little bit of experience with kind of the in-between ones, working at some fossil sites for dinosaurs and mammoths over the last couple summers. But we learned to use everything from hand levels, really basic kind of things, all the way to GPS and drones, which, you know, there's a tendency today to think just like those are the best possible things we can use, but they're not always accurate in certain situations. And I think the best thing Andy did for us is showing when that's really helpful and when you might want to use one of the older methods. So we were out at Miller Farm using a combination of ground truthing with GPS, showing where everything actually was, and then linking that to data from a drone that we had flying overhead to help map the drainage networks. The geology department feels like my home at Earlham. They've been, I think, the most accommodating of any place on campus for me. I always feel like they're ready to help me in any given situation. I think we have a really strong department. And yeah, their support and encouragement, I think, has been the best thing, in addition to that bonus of like really getting the practical experience.